हेलो। बीएड सेकेंड सेमेस्टर इकोनॉमिक्स के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है ये वीडियो। और टीचिंग मेथड्स की बात करेंगे आज हम। टीचिंग मेथड्स क्या होते हैं? व्हाट इज मेथड? तो मेथड्स आप समझते हैं। द मेथड इज़ अ वे ऑफ टीचिंग। ठीक है। बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट मेथड्स वी कैन टीच or we can understand different types of topics and different type of subjects. The adoption of methods depend on the topics. You can better understand कि कौन से टॉपिक में किस तरह के मेथड्स का यूज़ होता है। तो मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग इज़ जस्ट अ प्लान, ठीक है, और अ मीन एम्प्लॉयड बाय द टीचर टू effectively part to explain the subject matter to his pupils, ठीक है, और students. तो there are variety of teaching methods in almost all the subjects. They are limitless. It depend on the teacher which type of methods he or she wants to use. These methods help students to think in terms of category, in terms of methodology. Take for example, teaching central approach, then student central approach, then group activities. So they may be differ. Teaching central approach may within this category such methods in teaching, अगर आपको टीचिंग करनी है, और वो क्या है, कैसी टीचिंग होनी चाहिए? टीचिंग जो कि टीचर सेंटर्ड, ठीक है, in which you have to only listen. You are only a listener and स्टूडेंट आर ओनली अ लिसनर एंड यू आर ओनली अ स्पीकर. तो इसमें जो टीचिंग मेथड्स यूज होंगे, दैट आर लेक्चर मेथड. यू कैन गिव लेक्चर ऑन डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स एंड स्टूडेंट आर हेयर द नॉन एक्टिव लिसनर्स ओनली, ठीक. देन स्टोरी टेलिंग, देन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. Demonstration will be included, but these methods are only useful at certain standards, ठीक, and it may cover much content, but the group of learners should be active in your class. If they have no interest in your class, it's impossible to tell the students about the right topic, what is correct. It's easier to use because teachers with less training and experience tend towards this category. They are easy. Lecture methods and storytelling methods are very easy to adopt. Then student-centered method. What are the methods that will be used in student-centered approach? In student centered, it's a two-way process in which you can ask question to the students, and students are also very much ready to satisfy his or her confusion, ठीक है. और communication approach should be two-way in this method between teacher and the student, and mutual quest of truth. The question and answer and discussion methods are typical example of this approach, student-centered approach. Then this is a successful approach, we can say, because students can aware what the teacher are aware what the teacher is teaching, and the teacher is also very much attentive that I have to give such and such topic. They may also be prepared, ठीक. Group activities present a different kind of teaching method which involve debates, group discussion, and all forms of drama, means role play, etc. So there are different types of teaching approaches also. Instructive play as a method category. They include various kind of games and toys, use a sand table, puppet, puzzle, and contents, ठीक है. फाइनल कैटेगरी कंसिस्ट ऑफ सच मेथड्स इन फील्ड ट्रिप्स. अगर आप किसी बच्चे को अनुभव के साथ सिखाना चाहते हैं तो आप उन्हें फील्ड ट्रिप्स पे ले जाते हैं, ठीक है. वेरियस काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स आप देते हैं उनको प्रोजेक्ट, ताकि वो उस पर रिसर्च कर सकें. रिसर्च करें, उसके बाद प्रोजेक्ट में लिखें या प्रेजेंट करें, प्रोजेक्ट्स में सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करें। तो टीचिंग मेथड्स जो है वो टॉपिक पे डिपेंड करते हैं। इसके साथ साथ स्टूडेंट टीचर के बीच में इंटरेक्शन बढ़ाते हैं। टीचर के टीचिंग मेथड्स में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात होती है कि वो किस विषय के लिए किस मेथड को यूज़ करे और कौन सा मेथड वो बहुत इन्फ्लुएंसली यूज़ कर सकता है, प्रेजेंट कर सकता है बच्चों के सामने। और हर विषय की अपनी एक अलग मेथडोलॉजी, मेथड्स होते हैं। The teacher who wishes to be really effective will be sure that his teaching is characterized by the variety. The teacher must try and familiar with these variety, which implies the use of lesson plans and keep records that enable him to compare various teaching strategies. There are different types of methods in teaching and in economics also. Types of methods: problem solving or inquiry method, discussion method, demonstration method, role playing method, lecture method, discovery method and case study method. द लेक्चर मेथड्स, अगर हम बात करें इकोनॉमिक्स, हम कौन कौन से लेक्चर मेथड्स को यूज़ करते हैं। तो लेक्चर मेथड के क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, क्या प्रिपरेशन फ्रेमवर्क होता है, क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए। तो हालांकि लेक्चर मेथड्स की जो क्वालिटीज़ है वो क्या हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर लॉन्ग बीइंग यूज्ड इन क्लासरूम एट टीचिंग। द टीचर टेक द lead role and control the whole lesson, like writing down notes, talking, explanation. This means in this method teacher is the whole sole authority. ठीक, the student plays a passive role by just copying the notes, listening the teacher. As this time I am doing so, that giving you a type of a lecture. ठीक, the classroom is arranged with the tables and chairs, an informal setting with tight discipline, and students are not allowed to move or converse with each other. The reason why it's used in the present lesson, the material is systematic and to identify the explain the problems, analyze the controversial issues, and motivate and stimulate the students. What should we do? The framework, we should have to be ready to present the framework. The teacher should identify the respective topics and collect relative teaching items, teaching materials. Start of the lesson is in an interesting manner so that the students are ready to get knowledge. Expand the topic from easy to hard facts. Sustain the students' interest throughout the teaching and summarize the lesson in effective manner. This is the lecture method. What are the advantage? The teacher is able to complete and cover a wider range of lesson in teaching period. Then the use of teaching aids is minimal. ठीक है, to save the lecture preparation. It is can be used in any situation and it able to more students in session of teaching. What is the disadvantage of lecture method? Not effective much, and students are the passive part. They are only listeners. Then there is second method is project method. Project method is very much important method, or in economics it's very important because in this students are requested to collect data on some different topic, information on different issues and use at least the problem solving method also. इसमें कहीं ना कहीं आप एक बच्चे को जो प्रोजेक्ट देते हैं उसमें कुछ बच्चा जो है वो करने के लिए आगे बढ़ता है, उसके लिए डाटा कलेक्ट करता है, उस पर रिसर्च करता है. तो द फाइंडिंग आर नॉर्मली प्रेजेंटेड इन अ रिटन रिपोर्ट. प्रोजेक्ट मेथड में इट इज़ रिटन. द अप्रोच or the method can be implemented as an individual or a group assignment. इकोनॉमिक्स की बात करें तो उसके लिए जो सुटेबल टॉपिक होंगे उसमें क्या है, बहुत सारी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में, इकोनॉमिक सेक्शन के बारे में, और वेरियस सिस्टम ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में इसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। एडवांटेज क्या है इस दिस यूज़ ऑफ द this approach is very useful to enhance good values in the student. What are the values? Agar if you have given the group project, then working together, responsibility, leadership, originality are the main goodness of this method. Disadvantage, it's very time taking, time consuming to be implemented effectively. Then the next method, क्वेश्चनिंग अप्रोच। क्या क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्वेश्चनिंग? क्वेश्चनिंग जो अप्रोच है, क्वेश्चनिंग इज जनरली यूज टू टेस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स। क्यों यूज़ किया जाता है? प्रश्नोत्तर विधि जिसकी हम बात करते हैं, बच्चों जो भी आपने पढ़ाया है, टीचर ने जो भी पढ़ाया है उसको जानने के लिए कि बच्चे को कितना आया, तो उसके लिए क्वेश्चनिंग मेथड्स का यूज़ किया जाता है। इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टेक्निक यूज इन क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज। क्या प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए? टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना चाहिए, प्रॉपर फ्रेमवर्क, उसके लिए प्लानिंग होनी चाहिए, गुड क्वेश्चंस की, क्वेश्चन की जो क्वालिटी है दैट शुड बी वेरी गुड, और कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछने उसकी टेक्निक्स का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। मीन्स योर वॉइस शुड बी क्लियर, योर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर शुड बी टू द पॉइंट, नॉन वर्बल वर्बल बोथ क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड, ठीक है। फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन इज वेरी नेसेसरी while asking questions, and distribution of the question is very, very important because it may cover the whole topic what you have taught to the students. Then there is a case study method. Case study method is an approach to evaluate teaching and learning activities from the conventional style to give student a chance to explore related economics. An inductive learning environment to help students explore their thinking skills. In case study methods, you can collect a different type of topics and also information about the child or about the topic. Then the next method is problem solving. This method encourages people or student to probe into a problem and find out what should be the solution of this problem. So inquiry methods is also used in problem solving. So we can say problem solving or inquiry method both in which the students identify and clarify the purpose of inquiry. In teaching economics, it's very important. This method is also used to investigate the data in any topic, national income and GDP, NNP, in any field. The student is ready to recall the definitions but to resolve the problem. It's not necessary to recall the definition theoretically but to resolve the problem, and the concept will be clear after doing any question on this method. By this method you are all the students are very much aware what is the real problem and what should be the real solution. What are the steps? You have some experience, take some frame some problem, formulate a hypothesis, explore it and generalize it. It has some demerits also. It's very time consuming, and there should be a good well-trained teacher to guide it. Otherwise, the problem is, if the problem is very tough, the students are not ready to solve it. तो एक well-trained teacher की भी बहुत importance होती है. It also requires funds and material, and हर students को नहीं कर सकता है because every students have not the ability to investigate. तो ड्यू टू देयर एजेस एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मेथड्स को प्रॉपर क्लास देखकर ही, प्रॉपर एज ग्रुप देखकर ही दिया जा सकता है. देन डिस्कशन मेथड आर ऑल्सो इफेक्टिव टीचिंग मेथड्स. द यूज ऑफ टर्म्स, क्लास डिस्कशन एंड डायरेक्टेड डिस्कशन in the text refer to a method in which you direct control the verbal exchange of the class. The basic quality of this method is it has a good discussion on certain point of problem, and it may define clearly. The problem must be limited. It's the limitation of this discussion method, because ये भी हो सकता है कि डिस्कशन बहुत लंबा हो जाए तो इट में स्टूडेंट में गेट बोर्ड. तो द टीचर should not go extra miles. It should be, he should or she should be limited in their words. Teacher and students are the quality of this method is teacher and students are engaged in cooperative efforts. Demonstration method, demonstration method also involve their skill to explain and perform, demonstrate step by step the procedure to be effective and planned. Demonstration method, you have to be very much clear about the topic what you are going to present. The method is used in some skill oriented subject such as home economics, applied arts and technical education typing. So these are some teaching methods used in economics. I am giving you English and Hindi in both this method. If you want, I will give you a PDF also. First of all, listen this, read this and tell me if you want any information about that. You can also call me. Okay, this is your teaching methodology, teaching methods of economics.